okay. I know you're excited, but calm down, please. Calm down. I gotta pause here and take their seatbelts off and put the leash on. Just one moment. Yeah, they are nuts. Hold on. They're just going nuts. Hold on, you're pulling me. Oh my God, you should have seen them. I couldn't film it, but they were just like freaking out. I guess they're excited, but it's a lot. All right. I had started a video at home showing, like, you know, going out the door, putting their seatbelts on, but the video actually timed out. I'm gonna let this thing go by. Hold on. It's a very loud lawnmower. Okay, here we go, guys. Come on, guys. We're going this way. They're so excited. All right, I'm going to pause. Hold on. We're almost there, guys. Oh, wait, he's got to go. Hold on. Okay, almost there. We got some kids at the little playground, and then some people playing soccer. I'm going to pause here a sec. Okay, here we go. All right, guys, let me take the leash off of you. Come over here. Nope, come here. No, come here. Feely, let me take this off of you. Ready? Come here. Oh my God. All right, Oliver. Here, come here. Oliver, let me take this off of you. Hold on. Let me take this off. All right, guys, go at it. On your mark, get set, go! Not really. Oh, we got business going on. Hold on. Well, I'm going to pick up some business of another dog. I just don't like seeing it, so I'm going to pause. Sorry. Trying to catch up to them. They're really going further than normal. Can't even see where they're at. Every time we come here, I notice they go like to different parts of the park. It's hard for me to see if I'm capturing them in this with the camera here, but there they are. There's like, I don't know if you've heard of the No-See-Ums. They're like bugs that you really can't see. They're like just attacking me. My ears, my arms, it's like so itchy. I'm trying not to let it bother me. There they are. How you doing, Ollie? How you doing, Feely? Having fun? Shake, shake, shake. That's a good boy. You're going to need some water soon. Good boys. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. And thank you so much for stopping by the channel. We really appreciate you. If you liked our little video, please give us a like. Consider subscribing and sharing. God bless and have a wonderful rest of your day.